Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Windows Update error in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type SC, space config, space WUAU served, space start equal to auto. Type SC, space config, space bits, space start equal to auto. Type SC, space config, space crypt SVC, space start equal to auto. Type SC, space config, space trusted installer, space start equal to auto. Type exit to exit from command prompt. Restart your computer. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Windows Update. Click Run the troubleshooter. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.